Mwah.
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.
Here comes the bride.
Oh my god, who am I? Wow! I love it.
Oh, honey, don't cry.
Okay, I'm not. I'm good. Oh my god. That is amazing. I don't even recognize myself. Wow.
But it still looks like you,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, it's just I'm floored.
It's not so amazing that it looks like someone else.
Beautiful. Mickie, oh my god, thank you. Thank you, thank you so incredibly much. I can't even. Oh my god. My hair looks so great too.
You like
I
the
love
hair?
it. I love everything. I love everything about it.
So let's have a discussion. You
Okay.
like the foundation
Yes.
and the eyeshadow color
Yes.
and the eyelashes
Yes.
and the blush color
Yes.
and the lip color.
Yes.
And you like the hair.
Yes.
And I'm going to give you this mirror to show you the back of the head so you can see what I did
Okay.
behind.
Okay.
And yeah, so let me ask you. Do you feel beautiful?
I feel beautiful.
Do you feel like a bride?
I feel like a bride.
You ready to go
I'm
to
ready to
Yosemite and get your picture taken all day?
I'm ready.
You're
I'm ready.
gorgeous. Wonderful. So let me ask you, how were the beauty services today?
100% 10 out of 10. 12 out of 10. And you were very comfortable to work with, and your husband was amazing. Thank
Oh.
you very, very much.
You're welcome.
To both of you.
So sweet.
I feel gorgeous.
Thank you for inviting us. And being a COVID bride, I'm so happy that we finally got this date for you and you're able to enjoy your Yosemite
Thank you.
with your husband.
Finally.
Finally. Right? Finally.
Yes. Thank you guys so much. You've seriously changed like this whole year for me and for everybody, every bride. But for me, like you've made everything like possible. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I love it.
Wonderful. So I'm going to hand this to you.
Okay.
Be careful with it, but get up and walk to that mirror
Okay.
and look at the back of your head, okay?
Okay. So, am I doing this right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Oh, I love it.
Do you
That's
like
beautiful. I love the twist, and it's got volume. I love it. Everything about it. Perfect. Nothing needs to change. I love everything.
Wonderful. Yay.
Goodness. I've never had my makeup done like
You
this.
look
It's
so
beautiful.
gorgeous. I love it. I love it so
Thank
much.
you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm trying not to cry right now.